In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down right away to access Passwords and Security. Then click on Screen Lock. Tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Wait 5 seconds and tap on Got It in the pop-up. Now create your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. Lastly, click on Confirm at the bottom right corner. If you want to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by selecting Add in the pop-up and following all of the instructions presented on your screen. If you don't, just tap on Cancel. So finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!